look at that. This looks like an under the sheet sort of delight.
Yep.
Woohoo! Thank you.
What do you got there, Annika?
Can you pull, Annika? This is what you guys have. That's awesome. And it has 2 of them.
Oh,
Sweet.
look at Annika opening it. Look at her dancing. Yeah. Today's the 27th, and we're Skyping with Grandma. We're opening this card back, and Annika loves it.
Here we all spend hundreds of dollars on this child, and she likes the Hallmark card the best.
With the music.
Gentle, gentle. Gentle, Annika. We'll take that out. Run, run.
Open it up, Annika. Open it up. Make the music. She wants to. And you got some fuzzy tubs colors.
I'm going to take those away. Annika, can you walk? Annika, can you walk?
Can you walk for Grandma?
She's like, I'm not going to do it. I'm not a dancer.
I want the
bear,
card.
people. I
Where's
want
the
the
card?
paper.
Where's the card? There's the card.
Oh, there we go.
Can you open it up?
She'll get so frustrated if it doesn't open. Other side. Can you go to the other side?
Good girl.
Yeah. See how it's open there? There you go.
Woohoo! There's a dancer. There's our Stevie Wonder. Here she's Skyping and scowling.
Skyping and scowling. No, that's not for you. That's not for you. That's also not for you.
All right, Annika.
That's not for you.
Annika.